Great trading is not about being right. Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to be talking about great trading is not about being right. It's about trading right. Now, I'm just going to review some of the things that I've done in order to simplify my end-of-day trading and how that has allowed me to really focus purely on the process of trading and being able to duplicate that each and every week. Obviously, the market is going to be different every week, but the approach and my preparation and my process can be duplicated every week. And one of the things that I look for, there's a few things that I look for every single week before I even look to enter the market, and that is a previous week's high or low to be violated. And now one of the simple things about that is that unless I'm in a strongly moving market, oftentimes until one of those highs or lows is violated, there's no indication for me to have an opportunity to enter the market based on how I trade the markets. And that's because I'm looking for an asymmetrical risk reward. So I want to be either buying low at the bottom of a range, or selling high at the top of a range, or buying outside of a range when it's about to go on a measured move of the previous range. And same thing with selling. We'll go over that in one of the technical videos, but essentially I have to strip everything back and only have price on the chart so that I have a really simple, no analysis paralysis approach to trading. And what that allows me to really do now is to go day to day, bar by bar, Monday to Friday, place an order in the market or go in at market, place a stop with that, predefine my risk, and also have a way to measure an asymmetrical profit target that will give me, 3, 2, 4, 5R on a trade, especially when I combine that with monthly ranges. So on the end of day system, what I'm looking to trade is number one, a weekly range ATR, but number two, more importantly, be part of the monthly move on the monthly ATR, and even possibly on a larger weekly rectangles or triangles or flag patterns that will give me an opportunity to be part of a larger, huger move. So, I go back and I look at, and I know that every single pair, usually every week, at least 2 times a month, give me very, very simple trades. So in order for me to do that, I try to follow a basket of about 12 manually. I go bar by bar on each one of those, and I look for at least 5 or 6 of those to give me a trade each week. So that's half of those. Now again, it's just price only, bar by bar, again looking where I can enter the market with a predefined risk. So that usually my stop is 1 bar max. And then again, I'm looking at that weekly range as my minimum profit target. And I will know the next day if that trade has failed, because I don't necessarily have to be stopped out. But if I'm in negative equity, then that momentum break that I'm trading is obviously wrong, and I will take that smallest loss right away. I will exit the market before it hits my stop. Now that market may have moved slightly into profit and I'll stay in that trade. But again, it's very simple. It's bar by bar. And I'm looking to purely focus on my trading process. I'm not attached to the outcomes. And part of me being able to minimize the attachment to each and every one of those outcomes is to diversify my trades across multiple instruments, so that not any one of those in particular trades is going to create emotional turmoil for me based on the outcome of that trade. Now these are things that I've had to do to simplify and strip back my trading approach and really step back from the screen, not be worried about checking prices intraday or anything else or being right. It's about purely just every single day reminding myself that my main objective is to preserve my capital and to focus on executing my trading plan. Inevitably, when I've, like Jerry Parker from Chesapeake Capital, one of the turtles, I keep hearing this echoing in my head, just do the right thing. And doing the right thing in most of these cases is to actually take the trades. And that comes back to the process. I have a job to do, and that's to protect my capital, but it's also to execute my trading plan. And where I've come unstuck in the past is obviously not following my trading plan, in terms of not only taking the trades that were part of my plan, but also money management, just throwing it out the window, averaging into losers, revenge trading, anger trading, moving my stops. But the third part of that is really just getting your mindset into that performance-based approach, where every single day you have that daily routine down pat and you never miss a day. I talk about that in my 7-step daily routine, creating the daily habits that will ensure your success, but aligning that with making it congruent with the results that you're actually after. So it's a constant process of learning and getting better, but you have to have that hunger to be come back every single day, not be attached to the outcomes of those trades, be focused on flawless execution of your trading plan, and just in the headspace and the mindset of an elite performer. So it's not about, great trading is not about being right, it's about trading right. And in order for me to really, really keep that simple and high performance, it's allowed me to just focus on simplicity. Keep stripping it back till it's as simple as possible, so there's no excuses for me not to be able to execute that to perfection. So however you're trading, traders, look to simplify your approach so that you can duplicate it daily or weekly or whatever time frame you're on, and keep refining that until you can master that process, and again, not have any excuses or analysis paralysis for missing trades, or for having fear of missing out or anything else. It's just you're executing your trading plan and doing the right thing, as Jerry Parker said. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Focus on becoming a master of your trading process. Keep getting better every single day. Become an elite performer, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.